Okay, so Cameron has been 3D printing a circular sock knitting machine for me. We have the flatbed knitting machines, which are very hard to use, hard for me to learn the casting on and casting, well, not the casting on, but the casting off. Anyway, he's having a lot of faith in me. He thinks that I'm going to be able to learn how to do this too. I really want to be able to make socks. So all of these parts have been 3D printed. Was it Printables you went to for this?
I believe so, yes.
Printables. There's a file on Printables. Somebody who took a lot of pain to do a lot of detailed, I guess, adjustments to the original file that was out there. And it's free. The file is free. And so he has been printing this for me, and I will show you in a minute what he's got underway right now. It's a 14-hour print, is that right?
Yeah, that base part took about 14 hours as well.
Wow, okay, so this is a pretty big part, as you can see. I like the way these gears look. That's kind of fun. So, and what kind of plastic are you using?
This is PLA Pro.
PLA Pro, okay. All right, so I'm going to take you in the other room and show you what's going on with the 3D printer. Okay, so we're back in the shop, and Cameron's new 3D printer, or latest one that he has made, is doing this. What do we call this part, honey?
They call it the cylinder. It's the part that holds all of the knitting needles in the middle of the knitter.
Okay. I'm wondering if people can hear you because we're not mic'd up, so.
I know, but I'm speaking louder.
I know. So this is a 14-hour print. As long as everything goes perfectly and we don't have some glob of something in the middle that would cause us to start all over again. So that's going to be the part that goes around and around and around, right? Or back and forth.
No, that will sit still.
Oh, it will?
But there's another part that goes around this that carries the yarn, and then the needles will slide in those slots and they go up and down as that part goes around. It's easier if you have video of it.
Yes, yes. I'll find a photo that I can add to this video so that people can see like what a whole finished one looks like. So that's it from the shop. That's what's going on. Okay, here are 3 photos of 3 different sock knitting machines. You can also make hats with these, basically anything that is tubular. So take a look, and hopefully this is where we're going to end up.